Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I will be showing you how to avoid certain roads on Waze. So guys, to do this process, first things first is you just simply go ahead and open up the Waze application into your device. Now over here on the Waze, you could just simply go ahead and go for the menu on the top left corner of the screen, the three lines. Now here on the three lines, you just simply go ahead and go right through the settings over here. Now here on the settings, you will have multiple options and go for the driving preferences, and you will have your navigation and just simply select it. Now, guys, from here to avoid certain roads, you could actually filter it out. You could avoid toll roads. You could just simply turn this on. You could avoid ferries. You could just simply turn it on or off. You could avoid freeways. You could avoid unpaid roads. So you could allow it or don't allow it. So pretty much over here, you could avoid difficult intersection as well. So you could go for always or never. And now pretty much over here, you could filter out your ways to avoid certain roads that you might want to consider. So pretty much you could utilize the feature of these ways in order for you to avoid certain roads. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.